Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker JBL Boombox 4 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And at the third line we have the button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button, but before I tap on it I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. When you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but leave your speaker at the device list, and in the future you can reconnect it. And if you select to unpair, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. So if you need this, just click at the Forget this device button, not disconnect. And let's disconnect it. So disconnect, and as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection, but still have it as device list, and I can easily reconnect the speaker. I just tap on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.